Now, the 2023 Nissan Z orders will open up soon. And how soon? Can we say January 3rd, 2022? Now, a source who works at Nissan dealerships has quoted that the day when the books will open will be January 3rd, 2022. Now, emails have been sent to Nissan dealership confirming that reservations for the Ariya have now started paving the way for what? The Nissan Z. Now, today, Nissan sent out emails to us saying that the reservations for the Ariya are currently in motion. The source wrote a Facebook post that said, "This is big. Due to the new Z being the next car to be rolled out by Nissan." It isn't confirmed, but you can expect reservations to begin somewhere around January 3rd. So it's not confirmed yet, but the rumor is that they will start on January 3rd. Now, with the order books opening up then, the pricing details for the Nissan Z should be out very soon. Now, rumor suggests $35,000 would be the starting price, which is going to be a really threat to Toyota, folks. But it's a good thing. Now, the standard new Nissan Z is powered by the 3.0 liter twin turbocharged V6, found on the Infiniti Q60 Red Sport, producing 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Paired to that beautiful 6-speed manual transmission are the optional 9-speed automatic transmission. Now, performance specifications haven't been released yet. The new Z is going to be 15% quicker than the outgoing 370Z, which hits 60 in around 5 seconds. Now, Nissan should be able to do the same sprint in around 4.3 seconds, which is just going to be straight out amazing, folks. So this is amazing news. Yes, the sources from the Nissan dealership have confirmed that not confirmed, but the rumor has it that it's going to be January 3rd. But it's not yet confirmed by Nissan. But sooner or later it will be, folks. Yes, the new 2023 Nissan Z order books will open, hopefully January 3rd. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And boy, check out this beautiful engine. Nissan Z. What an awesome ride. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.